As a result of the nutritional content of bottle gourd, which is also known as calabash or lauki, consuming one bottle gourd on a daily basis may offer a number of possible wellness benefits. Nevertheless, it is essential to keep in mind that reactions might differ from person to person, and that moderation is essential in order to keep a balanced diet. Including bottle gourd in your diet on a regular basis may provide you with the following potential benefits. 1. Hydration to include. Because of its high water content, bottle gourd can help you consume more water overall, which is beneficial to your health. Maintaining an adequate level of hydration is necessary for a variety of body functions. Due to the fact that it contains a minimal number of calories, bottle gourd is an excellent choice for individuals who are attempting to keep their weight under control. By adding it to meals, it can be a satiating and nutritious addition that does not add an excessive amount of calories. Third, it is abundant in nutrients. Even though it has a low calorie count, bottle gourd is a good source of critical nutrients like vitamins C, B, and A, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The intake of these nutrients is essential for the preservation of one's general health. 4. Digestive health. A source of dietary fiber, bottle gourd can help support healthy digestion because of its high fiber content. The consumption of an adequate amount of fiber is linked to a decreased likelihood of experiencing constipation and other digestive disorders. 5. Hydration. Narrowed. Because of its high water content, bottle gourd can help contribute to hydration, which is vital for a variety of biological activities, including digestion, circulation, and the regulation of temperature. 6. The potential for the regulation of blood pressure by bringing salt levels in the body into equilibrium, the potassium content of bottle gourd may be able to assist in the regulation of blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory properties. 7th on the list, several research have suggested that bottle gourd may possess anti-inflammatory effects, which may be advantageous for the health of the individual as a whole. For the purpose of achieving appropriate nutrition, it is essential to include a wide range of fruits and vegetables in your dining routine. Although bottle gourd can be a nutritious complement to your meals, it is not a good idea to rely only on one food item for your meal preparation. In addition, it is always a good idea to check with a healthcare practitioner or a qualified dietitian in order to make certain that the dietary choices you make are in accordance with your specific health requirements and objectives. It is important to keep in mind that some individuals may be allergic to bottle gourd, and that consuming an excessive amount of it may result in any unwanted effects. In order to maintain a diet that is both well-balanced and healthy, it is essential to adhere to the principles of moderation and variety.